10 steps you need to take when you want to edit your video with Capcut, and it's going to make it easy peasy for you. Follow me right back in and let us do it. So the first thing you want to do is, number one, you want to open your Capcut application. Number one, open your Capcut application, and number two, you want to click on the new project to view your video clips. Add your video clips in after you have clicked on new projects. The third thing you want to do, which is the first thing you want to do in your video application editor, in your video editor of Capcut, is you want to color grade your pictures. That's the first thing you want to do, and that's what I do usually. I color grade my pictures first thing. The reason why you want to color grade your pictures first thing is because you can imagine you having different clips of videos, and after you are done, you want to start color grading your pictures. What happens? You have to go into it one after the other, and you may not remember the number of each editing features you have used. So the first thing you want to do, especially when you have one long video, is to edit first. Even after you have cut several things out of it, it doesn't affect anything. It's easier to color grade your pictures first before you start touching any other thing that you are doing. The second thing you want to do, which is the number 4 on this list, is you want to reduce the volume of your video. If it's a video you are recording that is not a video where you are talking like this, maybe there's a background noise, there is a lot of noise coming from the video, and you want to just do a marketing video that do not need anybody talking in the video, you want to reduce the volume of everything before you start working on your video. Remember the first step, you want to open your Capcut application, you want to click on new project, you want to color grade, then you want to reduce the volume of your video if it is needed. The fifth one is you want to remove unwanted clips. And how do you want to do that? You will split and delete, split and delete. So what you want to do on the fifth one is to check the videos by watching them. So which means you have to go back from the beginning, start watching them and start clicking on the particular clip you want to cut. So you split it. If you are splitting, split the second side where in the middle you want to remove that part, then you delete. Then you have multiple clips. Remember, the clips do not have any volume, then the clips do not have any need for you to re-edit them again. So you do that for your videos when you are editing. That is the 5 steps that you want to take first when you are editing your video. Let's move to the second 5 steps of this video. You're welcome back. Kindly remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to this channel. This is Small Biz App Tricks, and on this channel I am going to be teaching you many forms of applications you can use to make your business, small business, go smoothly. So let's get right into it. The second 5 steps you want to do when you are editing with Capcut application is you want to add the needed transitions. You remember you have cut in the first 5 steps, so you want to add the needed transitions. Yes, add the needed transitions. So every part of where you have cut, which is the first stage, second stage, third stage, you want to start adding transitions to where it's needed. Some places do not need transitions, some places need animations. So whatever you want to do to it, you want to add the needed transitions based on the storyline of your videos. Some videos do not need transitions, like I said. Some need you to put transitions, very smooth transitions that will make your video animated. The number 7 thing you want to do is, now after you have added all transitions, now select a very good music that can work for your videos. I like to select music from Capcut applications because I love the music that is there. They are trendy, they are smooth, they are clear, audible, and they are so interesting. And if I don't like those music, I can choose music from my file in my phone that I would like to add to my videos. That is the number 7 thing you want to do. Let's move to the number 8 thing that you want to do. Remember, when you are adding your videos, when you are adding your music to your videos, you want to fade in. For example, let's say you have added the first video. First thing you want to do is to click on the music, then fade in. The last part of the music, fade out. If you are using a music and the music is too long, you want to go to the end of the video, cut it, split it, and delete the last part that you do not need, the unwanted part. Then the wanted part, you want to fade out in the video. If you are using a music that is not as lengthy as your video, you want to click on the music you have used, fade in the first, don't fade out, then copy. It will copy that music you have added, then move that video to the end of the first video, then go to the ending part of the second video and add fade out to it, and that's going to work perfectly for your video. On the number 8, remember that we have added our clips, you have put transitions, you have added music. Now what you want to do is you want to check for needed sound effect wherever you need to add sound effect. For example, in the logo, you might decide to add sound effect to the logo. You might decide to add sound effect to, as I'm doing this video, let's say I'm putting my hands up and I'm showing some things up for you, and I want to add sound effect to the graphics that are coming up on the screen. That is where you add your needed sound effects on the video. Now you want to do number 9. Number 9 is you want to confirm if there is no excess, and that is very, very important. Some people do videos and at the end of the video they have exported it and they find out that the video continues playing after the main body of the video has stopped. So you want to make sure that number 8 thing you want to do is to confirm, is there no excess overlay? Hope there is no excess text moving on after the video. Hope there is no excess music. Hope there is no excess voice recording that I've recorded. Check for excesses. Play your video and check for excesses. If there's any excess, split and cut and just discard the excess. And the last but not the least is this. Before you go to the last but not the least, before we move there, kindly turn on the post notification bell so that you can be reminded anytime I drop a video like this. It's going to help your small business. The number 10 on the list is play your video. Play your video from beginning to the end. You will surely find something you need to add or something you need to remove, then work it out. That's the number 10 on my list. I hope this video that I've made for you is going to help you a lot to know the steps to editing videos. There are some things you may like to remove, there are some things you may like to add depending on the kind of videos you are creating and the things that works for you. Kindly continue to follow this channel and you will see how I drop more tips on how I edit my videos. Ciao.